Hello students, I am moving forward to exercise 12.2, sum number 8. The problem is a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field. See, this is a grass field, it is in the form of square. And one horse is tied here. The length of the rope by which the horse is tied is 5 meter. This angle is definitely 90 degree. So this area can be grazed by the horse. And you see, when this angle is 90 degree, this will be a quadrant. So the first part is, please see, area of field grazed. Area of field grazed by the horse is 1 upon 4 pi r square. Here, the important part which is to be noticed here is the value of pi is 3.14. So dear students, now it is 1 upon 4, 3.14 and it is 5 into 5. That is the first part. And if you simplify this, it will be 19.625 meter square. It is not required to explain you how to get this. You can divide and you can multiply. So that is the first part. Now it is told here that if the length of this rope is increased from 5 meter to 10 meter. So this is 10 meter now. Then how much will be the increase in the grazing area? Increase we have to find. So we have to find this part. So it will be, the second part is 1 upon 4 pi r square minus, this capital R is 10 meter, minus the old area, that is 19.625. So 1 upon 4, it is 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 19.625. Please see this. The full area minus the inner area. So this answer will be 78.5 minus 19.625. So the final answer will be 58.75. See, it is not, the calculation part is not important. The important is understanding part. That is, increase means only this part we have to find. So the total minus the old one. So the answer is 58.875. So in this way we can find the answer. You see the next problem now. The next problem is problem number 9. Yes, dear students, you see problem number 9. A brooch is made with the silver wire. See, this structure is made with the help of the silver wire in the form of a circle, and the diameter is 35 mm. Is very small. And how many diameters here? 5 diameter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this is again repeating. So 5 diameter. So what is the length of the wire required? The first part. So length of wire required equals to 2 pi r plus 5 into diameter or 10 radius. Both are correct. So the answer is 2 into 22 upon 7, 35 upon 2. Why it is 35 upon 2? Because 35 mm is the diameter plus 5 into 35. So here this is cancelled and this is 5 times. So 110, and 35 into 70. 35 into 5 will be 175. So the total answer is 285 millimeter. The unit is very important here. So 285 mm will be the length of the wire required to make this structure. Now the second part is what is the area of each sector. Now you see this sector. So area of this sector, area of each sector. You see it is clear with the diagram. It is clear with the diagram that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this area will be 1/10 of the area of the circle. So it is 1/10 into 22/7 into 35/2 and 35/2. You all know it very well. Why I am taking 35/2? Because 35 is the diameter. So if you simplify this part, this answer is 385/4. And what will be the unit here? Millimeter square. So that will be the area of one sector. I hope it is clear. Why it is 1/10? Again you see, because there are 10 equal parts. So one part will be 1/10 of the total part. So in this way we can find the area of the sector, each sector of this brooch. Next problem. Yes, see dear students, number 10. This is umbrella and these are 8 ribs and the radius is 45 centimeter. We have to find the area of the one sector, that is area between two consecutive ribs. Ribs means the partitions which are made here, and here we are using one iron wire in the umbrella. So the area between two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer will be 1/8 pi r square. It's not very complicated. So the answer is 1/8, 22/7 and 45 into 45. With the help of this problem, it is 11 and this is 4. So divisor is 24 and the numerator is 11 into 2025. Here I want to tell you that you can write your answer like this. It is not required to divide also. Because when you divide, then it will not be the terminating decimal. So in this type of complex calculations, you can keep your answer like this. Here the important part is the concept, that whether you know the proper concepts or not. So the answer is 22275/28 centimeter square. I hope this part is clear to you. Now I am taking the next problem. Yes, dear students, this problem is strictly given for the application of area of sectors around us. Means around us there are many things where we are using the concept of area of sector. You see, in the car the wipers are moving like this. Yes, now there are two wipers and these wipers are not overlapping. In the old car this process were there. Now in these days the wipers are overlapping, but here it is clearly told that these wipers are not overlapping. So we have to find the area swept by both the wipers. Now see, the length of the blade is 25 centimeter and this angle is 115 degree, 115 degree. So what will be the area swept by both wipers? Both the wipers, what is the area? You see, it is very important now. Both the wipers, if you see, the area is 2 into 115/360 pi r square. So pi is 22/7 and r square is 25 into 25. After this understanding, it is simply a magic of the calculation, and that is the important part, I understand. But the more important part is to understand the concept, and if you multiply this, the answer will be 158,125 upon 126 centimeter square. As I told you, the important part is proper use of the formula. You know which formula we have applied here? Theta upon 360 pi r square, and that is multiplied by 2. 2 theta upon 360 pi r square. So here in this concept also we are using the area of the sector. Indirectly we can understand that this problem is based on the application of the area of the sector in our daily life. And one more problem I am explaining you. Please see this now. Yes, dear students, now you see this problem. In this problem, we have to find the area of this design. And these, how many designs here? Total 6 designs, and it is definitely a hexagon. So in this, the area of each design, is basically, this design is the area of a segment. So it will be theta upon 360 pi r square minus root 3 upon 4 r square. We can apply this formula for each design, and then we can multiply this by 6 to get the total answer. And then in the question it is given that the cost of making the design is, the rates are also given, it is 35 paisa per centimeter square. And very important part is the value of root 3 is 1.7 we have to use, not 1.73 or 1.732. We have to use the value as 1.7. So here the area of sector minus area of this equilateral triangle. Now why this angle is 60 degree? If you join them, you will find that there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer will be 360 upon 6. So it is 60 degree. Now I am putting the datas. It is theta upon 360. Regarding the value of pi, nothing is given in the sum. So we will write 22 upon 7. The r is 28 into 28 minus 1.7 upon 4. 28 into 28. And now this is the cost of one part. This is the area of one part. Multiply it by 6, and then finally if you multiply this by the rate, that is 0.35. If you do this calculations, the final answer will be approximately 162.69 rupees. The calculation part I am leaving for you. You can easily multiply and divide. That is not the big part. The main part is the understanding, and that is area of sector minus area of triangle into 6 into 0.35. So that will be the cost of making the design. Cost of making the design. I think this part is clear to you. So in this way, we can find the area as well as the cost of making the design. Here the important part is why this angle is 60 degree and why we have applied this formula. That is the important part in this sum. Here we have applied the formula area of minor segment. So I hope it is clear to you. In this way, you can prepare this chapter very nicely. It is one of the important chapter from examination point of view, and you can score very nicely in this chapter. Thank you.